What is the primary purpose of data visualization? Data visualization is important because it's which of the following is not a significance of data visualization? Data visualization aids in storytelling by which of the following is not a common type of data visualization? The choice of visualization type should primarily depend on what does a histogram primarily show? In a histogram, what does the width of each bar represent? How are shapes used effectively in data visualization? When using shapes in a plot, it is important to